and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've come to Springfield, Illinois to visit the Air Combat Museum. So let's go and check it out. There's all these different, I guess, like missile cones almost. U.S. Air Force. The Marines, Flying Nightmares. Ladybird. I know. Worry Bird. Worry Bird. Western Illinois, Western Airlines, sorry, Stearman, U.S. Airmail. Kilroy was here. I do like it how they have it in the entryway. It's like a little runway. Have your Taylorcraft L2M. The 1947 DHC-1 Chipmunk. A Beechcraft T-34 Mentor. Have a North American P-51D Mustang. Vought F4U-5N Corsair. Fairchild PT-19. 1928 Stearman C3B. This shows you a plane without the covering on. This is a Newport 28. (1929) Kretzer Air Coach. This is a Fleet Model 9. It is one of only 25 Fleet Model 9 two-seat sport biplanes ever built. This is one of only 2 to be known to exist. This is a Ryan PT-22 Recruit. That was the Air Combat Museum here in Springfield, Illinois. The museum was a little bit smaller than I had anticipated. I wasn't for sure exactly what to expect, but I just thought there might be a few more planes. They had a lot of areas that were kind of blocked off because they didn't want people walking around and touching the vehicles, so I can understand that. I didn't realize too that there would actually be restoration work going on other vehicles, other planes, while I was here. So that was a little bit different, a little bit interesting, but kind of shows, the process. It takes a long time to restore these vehicles and to bring them up to condition, to display them, and there's, 2 different vehicles there that people were working on while I was there. So that was kind of neat. So if you like airplanes, and they're only open during the week, so if you're here in Springfield Monday through Friday, come on down and check them out. This has been another adventure in TV land. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you'd like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure, or any of the adventures in TV land, you can help support this channel by going to either Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon, or even here on YouTube and just becoming a member there. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.